Hey, Rachel Phillips, data expert here. That's me. So, pretty stoked today. We're going to show you how to install a package. Or, not we, me. I'm going to show you how to install a package in Python. Pretty straightforward. And so, the reason I am going to do this video is because it's going to set us up for the next video. So, real basic, we're going to use the command line interface that you have to do so. You can use the command prompt if you're in Windows. I think the command line in Mac is going to be pretty straightforward as well. In my case, I'm going to use git bash. That's what I use for my command line interface. And I've talked about it in one of my other videos. So that's what I'm going to use. All right. So I'm going to open that up. And in this case, I want you to, we're going to install scikit-learn. It's a great package from Python that does a lot of machine learning, feature engineering, and data science kind of things. So that's what we're going to go. That's what we're going to do. So I'm literally going to put pip install and scikit-learn. Now, I actually have this package already installed, so it's actually going to tell me that it's already installed. So it's already satisfied. That's what all this is saying up here. Okay, so that's literally it. But I also want to point out I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, which is the environments. When you want to do a project and you want a specific type of Python, when I say type, I mean version, a specific version of Python, and you want only certain packages in it, sometimes there's a reason to create an environment. So in this case, I'm going to show you that. So the one that I just installed it in, or I already installed it in earlier, but when I did that, it was installing on my main Python, not an environment. But what I would suggest is if you want an environment, to go into that environment and then install it. So I'll show you how to go back into that or go into an environment. So conda environment env list tells you the lists. It lists out the environments that you have. So I have a bunch of them. Now, if I want to activate one, source activate, and then I'm going to say fuzzy, and then that's going to activate fuzzy. And I know that by that little parenthesis with the word fuzzy inside. And then I can source deactivate fuzzy. All right. So now I'm out of it, and that's why the fuzzy is not showing up. But you can also create. So I can say conda create -n. That's for name. And then I'm going to call this YouTube video scripts. You know what? Let's just say YouTube. And then I'm going to say that's it. And I can also say which Python version I want, which I like the version I have, so I'm not going to put that, but you can always put Python equals. And then you can also, at the end, put the name of the Python packages, right? So it's going to create this Python environment for me called YouTube. When that's done, I'm going to show you that. Okay, so now I want to do source activate scikit-learn, and then I'm sorry, that is not what it's called. It's called YouTube. Then I'm going to put, why is that not working? What is happening? Source activate YouTube. Oops. Conda environment list. Did it not create it? Let's find out. It did not create it. Okay, I'm going to say conda create and YouTube. I'm not going to put that scikit-learn at the end. Let's see if that, okay, this one should work. Okay, source activate YouTube. I don't know what's going on here. Pip freeze. This is how you tell what packages are in your environment, whatever environment that is. So the global environment is what we were in before, and now we're in this other environment and called YouTube, and scikit-learn is in there. So that's pretty much how that goes, and I will check you later. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.